In front of me is CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first make sure that you've got your developer options activated. If you don't have it active yet, just watch our tutorial on how to activate developer options, and once they are active you have to open the settings and then go to developer options, and here you just have to activate them if they are no longer active. Locate demo mode, click on it, and now you can smoothly enable demo mode by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, now it is active, and if you are interested in showing demo mode, just click here, and now you will be able to see demo mode. And this is it. Whenever you would like to turn off this feature, tap on those switchers, and that's it. As you can see, it's no longer active. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can use demo mode in your CYRUS CS40. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.